Preventing water infiltration and stopping weeds in sidewalk and driveway, cracks starts with choosing the right materials and preparing the joint so the repair bonds and sheds water. First, clear the crack of dirt, roots, and loose material by using a stiff wire brush and a shop vacuum, or by blowing with compressed air until you can see sound concrete on both sides and at the bottom. If roots or persistent organic matter remain, treat with a targeted brush out and a small amount of household hydrogen peroxide to loosen debris and kill residual root tissue, then remove it. For moving joints or wider gaps, use a foam backer rod sized to sit below the surface, so the sealant only adheres to the vertical faces. This prevents three-sided adhesion and lets the material flex with temperature. For narrow static cracks under 1/4 inch, pourable self-leveling waterproof sealants work best because they flow deep into the void and create a water-shedding surface once cured. For wider cracks, first pack polymeric sand to mid-depth, compact it, then apply a polyurethane-based crack filler over the top so you get structural backing plus a flexible waterproof skin. Always follow ambient temperature and substrate moisture instructions on the product label, and allow full cure before exposing the repair to traffic or activating polymeric sand by misting gently to avoid washing it out. Common mistakes include leaving organic debris or roots in the crack, which causes failure, using a rigid cement patch in a joint that moves, and skipping substrate drying or proper temperature, which prevents adhesion. If debris or roots remain, re-clean to sound concrete and use a small hand auger or root saw for stubborn material so the sealant bonds to mineral surfaces. If you used a rigid patch in a moving joint, cut it out and replace with a backer rod and flexible polyurethane filler so the material can stretch without cracking. If curing failed because the surface or air was too cold or wet, remove the failed material, let the area dry fully, and reapply during an appropriate forecast window, or use a product labeled for low temperature cure. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and provide how-to guides and community discussions to help decide which repair approach fits your situation. Our site helps contractors find projects and homeowners compare methods, materials, and real-world experiences shared in the discussion community.